already dying. 200. And we still have to go all the way up there. And I believe that is the false summit. Okay, we just passed step 400. Stepdad's up there. Mom is down there. We're taking a break. We passed the first exit breakaway path, and my mom decided not to go down it. She's gonna keep going up. But we're fine as long as I take breaks in between. But I am very winded, and we're at step 600, I think. Whew. The view is beautiful though. I'm in the winter wonderland. This is about the pace that we've been going in between our stops. And I'm also hungry. Look at all the snow. Yep, 2,500 and a snack because I got hungry.
Yeah.
Okay, we're all set, right?
Yeah,
It's a beef jerky.
That's the real thing. It's always fun.
Got less than 200 more.
Yeah.
Was running in the 80s. Just Wyoming ranchers. I was stepping on it, I was oh.
We're heading down the bar trail is what it's called. It's nice and leisurely compared. It's very cold.
Oh yeah,
It doesn't stick. Dang, we were gonna build a snowman. Yeah.
I was gonna build a snowman.
How'd it work out?
Not very well. We're gonna get some Italian food. Get some pasta. It's gonna be so good. I'm very hungry. We're still walking down to the trailhead. I turned on the hike again and we are, oh my gosh, an hour, 15 minutes. Still trying to make it to the car. Oh, my eye's burning. But we had a reservation at 12 for lunch. It is 12:12. What? Slippery? Oh. Well. Woohoo! We did it.